In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profile backlink on Trello. Having a profile backlink is an excellent way to boost your online presence and improve the visibility of your profile, which can be particularly useful for networking and professional growth. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open up Trello. Head over to your favorite web browser and navigate to the Trello website. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Trello boards, the central hub of all your projects. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to various account settings and options, where you can manage your profile details. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Profile and Visibility. This section contains all the settings related to how your profile appears to others and is a crucial step in adding your backlink. Once you click on Profile and Visibility, you'll be taken to a page where you can edit various elements of your profile. Now, scroll down until you spot the Bio section. This is where the magic happens. The Bio section is essentially your personal space on Trello where you can share a bit about yourself, your interests, and most importantly, include your profile backlink. Carefully paste your backlink into the Bio section. This could be a link to your personal website, LinkedIn profile, or any other online platform you wish to highlight. Make sure the link is correct and leads to the desired destination. Once you've pasted your backlink, take a moment to review the rest of your profile information to ensure everything is up to date and accurately represents you. It's always a good practice to periodically refresh your profile details to keep them current and engaging. And that's it. By adding a profile backlink, you've enhanced your Trello profile, making it a more powerful tool for connecting with others and showcasing your professional presence. Remember, a well-maintained online profile can open doors to new opportunities and foster valuable connections. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital platforms. Until next time, happy networking.